Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the formulas which is related to text. This is very important, especially when you are working with big files and you're maintaining names or some labeling, some sort like that. And this is very useful to the those who are working in HR, in the customer service, or even the teachers because they have the list of names of students with them. So let's start. For now, we'll begin with we will check the usage of proper, upper, and lower. Okay, when we say proper, okay, the first letter of the word will become capital. So we have here list of words wherein some are written with small letters at the beginning and some are with capital letter at the beginning of the word. So what we want to achieve using the proper formula. So proper formula, as I've said, the words will start with capital letter. So it will be capitalized. The first letter will be capitalized. So let's see. So we'll type proper. Okay, and then go to the cell where you want to capitalize the beginning of the letter and then close with parenthesis. Okay, and then double click to copy to the last line. You don't need to drag, okay, because if you are dragging it till that 1,000 line of items, then it will be very lengthy process for you and it will take time. So better you just have to highlight it and then double click. Okay, and then next, upper. When we say upper, all the letters will be in capital. Okay, capital letters, so all the letters will be capitalized. So upper, then let's go to the cell. See, all the letters have been capitalized. Okay, so the opposite of that is lower. So all the letters will be in lowercase or small letters. So it's not proper, it's not upper, now it's lower. It's all small letters. Okay, let's try. Now you know how to format the names in your files or the text in your files using proper, upper, and lower. So other options will be given, other options or other formulas will be given to you in the next videos. So bye for now. Thank you and God bless.